Baby's heart rate is 158. Open up. Hey friends, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be of me finding the heartbeat. So recently I purchased, not recently, it's been a moment since I purchased this Doppler. It's a Sonylene baby Doppler. Came in this box right here. I bought this myself, and it came, I bought this around maybe week 7 of being pregnant, because I anticipated being able to hear baby's heartbeat by week 8. Now I've been trying and it was hard to really find. At first I thought I found it rather easily, but it was my own heartbeat. So I was spooked by that. So if you have one of these, you have to be aware that when you hear the first beat, it's probably not the baby, it's gonna be yours. And then you also learn to differentiate too, that yours is a lot slower than the baby's. So now that I'm over 13 weeks now, 13 weeks and a day, and I have found the baby's heartbeat, and I feel like I know exactly where the baby's located. At least that's where he or she was this morning. So we are going to go ahead and I'm going to try to find it for you guys so you guys can hear it too. I have to admit, I thought these things were like really easy to use. And it's not that they're hard, but just finding the heartbeat is actually quite a bit challenging. So let's see if this works. So let's see if we can find it right now. So when you're doing this, you want to use some kind of paper towel, just so you don't make a mess of your clothes. Let's see. I did this morning and found it super clear. It's not as easy as thinking. I'm trying to go back to the exact spot where I thought I had picked it up. Oh, I'm picking it up. Can you guys hear that? So I picked it up for like a couple seconds. I don't know if you guys could hear it because it's not as loud. Like, I don't know how all those other folks who do this, how they pick it up and I'm hearing it so clear. I don't know. Are they really like as early as I think they are? Because they're using the same Doppler and it picks it up super early. Oh, there. Can you guys hear that? and it's saying that baby's heart rate is 158. $157. I found it. I'm so excited. Aww. That's exciting. It's in a similar spot to what I thought it was this morning. Maybe a little bit to the right, but it's same spot, same area. That's fantastic. So that's awesome, guys. I'm so happy that I found it for you guys because I had a hard time finding it the first few times. Now I'm gonna give you guys a couple of tips here if you guys are watching this video for that kind of purpose. You wanna like learn about it. Like I said, I am 13 weeks, so it's finding the baby's heartbeat at 13 weeks. I tried left, right, and center to find it early, and I didn't. Now at 12 weeks, I picked it up, I think once or twice, but then I had a hard time finding it any other time. And I kept looking it up. I'm like, I can't find my baby's heartbeat at 12 weeks. Like, is that bad? Because everywhere that I've seen it, it did say that you should be able to detect babies' heart rate as early as 8 to 10 weeks. And then I kept thinking like 12 weeks, wow, like that's actually much further out, you know? But the reality is, like, it all depends on the position of the baby. It all depends on, yeah, it just depends on the shape of your uterus, if it's tilted or not, and just if you're even able to find it, because it does take a little bit of persistence. You have to just keep trying because it's easy to want to give up after trying a couple of times. I've sat there once for like 45 minutes trying to find it and I wasn't able to, so it can be frustrating. A couple tips for you guys in the midst of trying to find it early. Don't get yourself worked up because you may not be able to find it early. I've heard of people saying they can't even get one at their doctor's office at like 14 weeks and their doctor doesn't seem heavily concerned. I'm not sure what to think of that, but I'm just saying, like, I have gone to an ultrasound and I knew that the baby had a heartbeat and everything was fine there, but just trying to find it on my own with my own Doppler was hard. So don't get yourself worked up if you can't find it right away. Secondly, don't bank on always finding it early. I think that's like, I don't know, from my own personal experience, I don't think it's like super easy to find it early. So I wouldn't like rush to try to get it in the early weeks. I would just wait it out a little bit until you're at least 12 to 13 weeks, because then you have a better chance of finding it. Like, I found it twice in one day, so I kind of know where to look for it now. Whereas before I was all over the place and it was actually kind of stressing me out when I couldn't find it immediately. So that's like my 2 tips. And yeah, just don't stress. Try not to stress, because stress is probably going to be even bigger. It's going to cause even bigger issues with your baby. Don't stress your baby out. Meanwhile, everything is fine, and we're just like relying on this home device that we can buy. It's supposed to grant us peace of mind, but it might work a little bit easier as the baby gets a little older or bigger, and you know, the heart rate is much easier to pick up. So that's my advice for you guys. Hope you enjoyed hearing my heartbeat, my heartbeat. Hope you enjoy hearing my baby's heartbeat for today. Stay tuned. I have a lot of other fun, interesting videos coming out. If you guys have any video suggestions of videos that you'd like to see me do, or even just topic that you'd like to see me speak on, definitely leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I will definitely see to that. So until next time, guys, don't forget to like today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and much love. Much love, guys.